So we kind of lied.
Okay.
We didn't do anything to the Mark 6.
What happened?
Follow us. I'm gonna go mug you.
I'm nervous to see what the fuck is around this corner.
So, remember how Josh totaled his Accord?
Yeah. You got a Mark 4, no way. You convinced Josh to get a Mark 4? What? Wait a minute. I never thought this day would happen. Yeah, not just any Mark 4 though. This is an R32? No, okay. It's a 1.8T. Okay. She got a big old intercooler. Oh my god.
Full bolt-on dyno tuned. It's making like 250 to the wheel.
We even have the filled-in logo, dude. That's loud. So loud. That's loud. Dude, where'd you find it? Marketplace?
Yeah. It's full bolt-on, makes 240 horsepower.
God. How much was it?
I paid 2,800.
2,800?
Yeah.
That's cheap.
Yeah, I know.
How many miles? 100?
215.
215? Holy cow, she's old. I was guessing like 160, 170. Okay.
Come with the pipe on it.
Oh god. Bro, you hit the truck exhaust. I love it. Oh my god.
On coilovers.
She looks like she's on coilovers. Dude, what made you decide? You just saw it on Marketplace and were like, kind of need a car.
Yeah, it's like I need a city car. Might as well.
I can appreciate this thing.
Sounds like a tractor.
It does.
Okay, I'll unlock it for a quick ride because she technically ain't registered. For legal purposes, that was a joke. And
These windows are fast. She's like a goddamn tractor.
she died.
Dude, what the fuck?
Yeah, when we picked it up, it was slammed out on the coilovers.
It was dumped on
So
it.
yesterday, Josh raised it. We took off some really dark window tints.
Yeah. Like she was tinted out.
Oh yeah, like 5%.
Oh wow. Dude, that little boost sounds nice.
Yeah, you just wait.
Yeah, just wait.
Just wait. We haven't seen anything yet. We'll take it on the highway real quick.
Oh, she's on the highway.
Yeah, we're gonna go on the highway.
Oh no.
Yeah.
You goddamn tractor. Dude, what the fuck is this thing?
She's the city car.
Did you tell your dad?
I did.
What did he say?
They're in support.
I know, I believe it. I believe your dad would like the Mark IV.
He likes GTIs too.
Yeah.
But they I pulled out of the garage last night and my mom plugged her ears. Just that loud.
Tyler, do you ever think Josh would own a GTI?
Never in my life did I think we could actually get Josh to want a GTI.
No. Keep the windows down.
Oh, okay.
Tyler, what are your thoughts on it?
Shit's sick. It's a hoopty, but it's awesome, dude. It definitely needs some love. I mean, he self-tapped the license plate in. I mean,
Which isn't his license.
it's beautiful, dude. It is beautiful. Oh yeah.
See if they're on right now. to.
If you tell Tyler you got a sub in the back.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll show you that too.
Top wire.
Had a sub and an amp.
Does it have it still in there, or is it just wired for it?
It's still in there.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, those are some HIDs.
Yeah, they're bright.
Those are bright. Actually, those are LEDs. Those are LED bulbs.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right actually. It's got the lens for the xenon, I think.
Yeah, it does. Those
But-
are not LED lenses.
Yeah. Okay.
Those are actually halogen housings with LEDs in them. That's why they're so bright.
Oh. Yeah. We need to get halogens then.
No, dude, keep the white. That looks sick. You don't want yellow headlights.
I know, but like
You blind other people for sure.
I'm blinding people.
You are.
I don't want to do
The
that.
way that those headlights work, yeah, you're blinding people.
It's not disrespectful.
But it's sick.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll pop the hood for you.
Let me see what she's working with.
I like how the piping is sticking out from the bumper.
Yeah, right. This thing is. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my god. She looks mean under here.
Only a 2-inch charge pipe,
Yeah,
or like.
this is pretty tiny, but like.
I
It's a
think
small
I-
turbo.
I
It
assume
doesn't
it's
need much.
Yeah.
Got a
And then-
blow off valve.
This wasn't like coming off as much the last time I put it on. This is their charge pipe, so it's slowly like seeping off.
Oh my god, Josh.
But hey, you know what?
Yeah.
Go wide. Raceland.
Oh, it's on Raceland. though.
Yeah, it's on
This is
Raceland.
an AutoZone filter. That's the AutoZone brand.
When we Matthew and I tried to start it yesterday, we had issues with the immobilizer because I was trying to like swap over keys. It was on me. It wasn't on me.
Yeah.
So there's that too.
Yeah.
It's even got a catch can, dude.
Oh yeah, that's got catch.
Yeah,
Oh, we
make
should
sure
have.
you-
We should
We
have.
should have opened it.
Yeah, we should have opened that actually.
That can be a future thing.
A little container, just like pour it in. Actually, well, we have the oil here.
Mint, dude.
True.
We could just put it in.
Do.
What's that song?
There's your amp right
the
there.
amp mounted. He did this up nice.
It's got the wood panel.
He's got the wood
What's that?
panel
Wood
flooring.
panel floor. What's a Mark IV without the wood panel floor, though?
It's missing the
Yeah.
Light weight reduction. Come on. Dude, this thing's actually mounted too. He did it up nice. He did it up good.
There's holes in the roof.
Dude, there's holes
Yeah,
in
from the
there.
racks.
From the rags. But it looks like the tape is holding up nicely. So there's holes right here. like screws.
Oh my god, he screwed it from the inside, dude. This thing has been through the nines.
Oh, it'll continue to be.
Yeah, Josh, this thing isn't getting babied.
No. This will get washed maybe once a year.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, looks like the tape's kinda holding. No, it's not.
can we like beautify this for when we take pictures? Is there like things we can do to
Sure.
beautify her?
Sure, we can.
We can
I
buy
told
some more
him-
self-tapping.
I told him he should get the other Mark IV wheels, the ones with like all the spokes.
Yeah.
Do you know which ones I'm talking about that came on the R32s?
That would look real clean.
Yo, where's
That
my
would
hubcap
look-
actually? Did I leave that?
I think you
Wait.
did.
What the hell? Yeah, I did leave it. Oh man.
Dude,
Whatever.
fuck, Josh. Come on, man.
All right, Josh, you just became the proud new owner of a Mark IV GTI. Why don't you give us a little overview of it?
Oh god. Okay, where should I start?
How about the fact that it's tuned?
Alright, yep, so this is an 04 GTI, it's a 1.8T. It has 214 and some change thousand miles on it. It is tuned on 93 at rate of about 240 to 250 horsepower at like 20 psi. Stock motor, as far as I'm concerned, I bought this last week. It is full bolt on for the most part, with some missing links here and there. The motor seems to pull well so far. I don't know how long that will last for. It's a 5-speed. Apparently the clutch has been done recently. It's got some fancy new headlights, and you can kind of see the exposed intercooler down there.
kind of see it. The pipe only
Yeah,
sticking out
you
like
can
an inch.
kind of see it.
Kind of see it a little bit. So yeah, this is my new shit car for a little while.
Got
Shit box.
it's locked.
There you go.
Show off all the spare parts.
There's the 5-speed. Lot seats and rails. Thing was dumped on the ground. It's on Raceline coilovers. It was dumped on the ground originally when I bought it. Raised it a little bit. Moved all the tint off. Got all my tools because you're gonna need them at some point.
So how does it feel to be a brother?
I hate myself. Yeah, you gotta look at the exhaust.
Hey Tyler, can you do a fist test for me?
It definitely fits.
Surprisingly, the exhaust underneath actually is like pretty clean looking. Welds look nice and stuff. So, but maybe that'll get changed out at some point. To Tyler's dismay.
It's sad, dude. You get rid of that dumb pipe.
The dump
That
pipe.
thing looks like a dump.
Sewage piping.
Well, now that you're a official member of Dub Chasers, you want to close out this video for us?
Don't do it.
Oh,
Don't do it. There's so many better options out there.
If you guys want to see content on this, let us know down below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.